So this one's another forestry mulching. It's for another private, well, this one's for a private customer. He's actually building a cabin out here in Victoria Beach. So we are clearing his property. So the first thing we are doing is cutting it all down so that way we can do a driveway and a culvert install for him. So we're using our forestry mulching machine with our new carbide teeth. So this one, we did get stuck right away going into the ditch. We did get pulled out of that one, so luckily that was good. The site condition was actually not too bad. It was saturated, but like not too bad where we were getting stuck. There was some close calls, but other than that, it went not too bad. We were able to get most of the trees cut down properly. After we got stuck, we were able to continue on, and then unfortunately we got into another problem where we blew the hydraulic line. Which is unfortunate because we're about an hour and a half away from the city where we can get a line made. And because we've never worked on the machine before, we're trying to figure out how to get where the line is, dealing with obviously a hydraulic mess in there. So that was a bit of a struggle. We finally did get a line made, which was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By the time I actually made it back out to I think it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I can't remember. But by the time we got back, it was like 7 o'clock in the evening. And by the time I struggled to get the line back in, it was about 9:30 at night, and sunset was around 10 o'clock. So yeah, I came back and got all the hydraulic filled up, and then we got the machine working where we were able to continue on the job and keep on moving.
Oh, he's sinking.